Have you ever wondered how we measure whether an AI model is performing well? One of the most common metrics is accuracy. Accuracy measures how often an AI model makes the correct prediction out of all predictions it makes. For example, if an AI analyzes 100 images and correctly identifies 90 of them, its accuracy is 90%. Accuracy is widely used in applications like spam filtering, image recognition, recommendation systems, and healthcare AI. But accuracy isn't always enough. In imbalanced datasets, a model can have high accuracy while still missing important cases. Accuracy tells us how often AI is correct overall, but for deeper evaluation, we also use precision, recall, and F1 score.